Hold the rope tight. We are almost there.
The current is too strong.
This current is stronger than projected. We have to reassess the pylon placement right here.
It's incredibly dangerous, sir. The ground is unstable.
What about the upstream anchor point?
All right, team, keep it moving. We need to get these beams across the river before the rain hits. Move, move, move.
We need to confirm the coordinates for Pillar 4.
The reading on the theodolite matches the map. We are clear to proceed.
We're showing a drop in RPMs down below.
Yeah, I see it. Keep an eye on the torque readings.
The pressure is spiking on the south side.
Steady on, we need to clear that bedrock.
We did it. The first one is standing strong.
It looks incredible against the sky. What a milestone.
Bring it down slowly, watch the alignment on Pillar 4.
Steady, steady. Looks good, set it down.
Tighten the tension on line 4. Copy, tensioning now.
Easy now, lower at 5 meters.
Copy that, watching the load.
All right, set it down gently, we're clear.
That's the last one.
Great job, everyone. It looks amazing.
All right, bring it down slow. Watch your hands, make sure it locks in tight.